In this video, I will show you how to use dual apps on your phone. Now, first of all, not all of the phones come with this feature, especially the old ones. But for the new ones, most of the new phones come with this feature. The first thing we are gonna do is go to settings. Then we are gonna click on apps. After that, we will choose dual apps. And then we are gonna choose which app we want. Let's choose WhatsApp. And now we activate the dual apps on WhatsApp. And that's it, my friends. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.